Hello from Slovenia. So today I have a hair dryer, and you probably guessed that I will do a Dutch pour. I hope that this will work. You see, I really don't know how to handle this. When Rinske does it and some other artists that I watched, it looks so simple, but I'm just I don't know what to say. Obviously I don't know how to use this hair dryer, or my paint consistency isn't okay, or I don't know, but I just want to try it. Rinske, if you watch this, please don't laugh. So I have purple. I don't know how much paint I must add. And I will add some magenta and a little bit of orange and a bit of yellow, maybe here, I don't know, and some bronze. And I saw Rinske to add some white, and of course pour white around. This is the easy part, or not, I don't know. I don't know if I have enough paint. You see? I just don't know how to handle this. I don't like this part here. So I saw Rinske, she pour white and then blow this out with her mouth. I don't like this part here. See, this is totally, I don't know what. Torch it. I wish that Rinske was here to tell me what I did wrong. Maybe I shouldn't have had this orange. I just don't know. And definitely I didn't comfortable with hair dryer, how to see. There is some nice parts, but this part is just something that I really don't like, so let's see if I can save this. So I will scrape off this part here. And add white and then blow. Rinske, help! And I didn't do nothing for my composition because I still don't like it. It is a little better, but I just don't know how to get to these parts here. Maybe I should use straw. don't like this part. Rinske, help, what I did wrong. Probably the color combination. I don't like this white spot, but I can't get rid of it now. So, nothing that I'm crazy about, but at least I will not scrape it, or at least I will not do it right away. I will wait. Maybe I should start with magenta or yellow, or leave this orange out. I really don't know. So I don't know. I will take a full close-up. Just a second to do this, because it was so much glare. I like this part here. But I don't like this at all. This is okay, but this is the only thing that I like completely. So, Rinske, please help me, because this is just not just not near to your Dutch Porsche. So, but at least I tried again, and I didn't scrape it. Yoo-hoo! So, see you on the next one. Bye!